Habari za hizo maji yetu ya TV, karibuni katika kipindi mkipendacho cha Stadi za Kazi, ambacho kipindi hiki hurushwa kila siku ya Alhamisi kuanzia saa 10:30 jioni hapa ITV Super Brand Afrika Mashariki. Na leo ndio kwa nasi zako Allen Nzuri pamoja na
Amani Suleiman katika kipindi hiki cha Stadi za Kazi. Na lakini pia tutakuwepo na watoto wenzetu ambao wao watatuonyesha stadi za kazi kwa kutumia mikono yao, ikiwa ni unahusisha sanaa mbalimbali. Stadi za kazi ni somo ambalo tunalisoma mashuleni ambalo linahusu sanaa mbalimbali za mikono. Basi tuangalie watoto wenzetu hapo, tujue leo wametuandalia stadi aina gani.
Karibuni.
This is another period of vocation skills, dear viewers, whereby we are going to talk about weaving. Watazamaji wanaotuangalia ITV, hawa ni watoto wa hazina, wakiwa na kipindi kingine tena kuwafundisha namna ya kutengeneza doormat au kile cha kufutia vumbi la viatu kwenye ukiwa unaingia nyumbani. When we are making weaving, we use what do we use? Frame loom. We use what? Frame loom. And that frame has got some nails and a handle. So if you want, you'll be holding and then walk. So, by the way, what is weaving?
Weaving is the braiding of turbans.
Say, braiding.
Braiding.
Weaving is the braiding of turbans.
Weaving is the braiding of turbans.
Yeah, because you all knew, that's why we have answered it together. So, while weaving, we use different materials. Who can remember, do you remember anything, buddy? Yes, what do we use? Palm leaves. Say palm leaves.
Palm leaves.
What else? Yes? Strings. Yes, what else? Banana fibers. What else? Very many things. We use very many things. But now we have strings. Today we are going to use strings. What are these?
Strings.
Inini?
Kamba.
Aha. Sasa kwa watoto wa nyumbani tutakuwa tunawachanganyia kidogo kidogo tukiingia kwenye Kiswahili na Kiingereza ili tuweze kuelewana. Hii ni kamba. Kwa hiyo tunatengeneza lile la kanyagia mlangoni ukiwa unaingia nyumbani ili usiingize uchafu, unafuta miguu yako vizuri. Kwa Kiingereza tumesema doormat. Sawa? Mkeka wa mlangoni pale. Wengine mmezoea ile mikeka tutandika kula pilau, hii ni mlangoni pale. Vumbi hacha pale. Are you ready for that lesson?
Yes.
Now, the first step. You are supposed to be with a ruler, though my ruler is quite short, but this is what's going to give me the measurements that I want. I'm only going to use the same size. So where I put a mark is where I'm going to be putting the nail. I'm using 1.5 centimeters. I measured the first one and I'm continuing. Who can continue doing that? Can you continue? Good. Continue. Up to the end. Don't reduce the size. Use the uniform size. What he's now doing is putting for us marks where we are going to put our nails. So we are supposed to put nails. From there we shall use our nails and then be using the hammer. Different tools are going to be used. So later I will show you what we are supposed to use. We have now seen the flame, we have used the ruler and a pen or pencil. Alright? Other materials. What is this?
Hammer.
So we're going to use this to fix our nails where he has marked. Alright? Yes. So the same applies to this side. We shall do the same. Mariam, are you ready?
Yes.
Continue with that. We have nails. What are these?
Nails.
These are nails, and this is 1.5 inch. Say 1.5 inch.
1.5 inch.
And now from here, after making the doormats, I hope you'll have to be serious and be ready to be business people. But you can make a doormat and sell. You know that one of the doormat, just one piece, costs 70,000. 70,000. Moja tu hii, ukishaitengeneza hii moja, inauzwa 70,000. Wakati umetumia gharama yani kama 25,000 kuitengeneza. ina maana unaweza kutengeneza ada mwenyewe, school fees. Ukawa umelipa school fees. Mama yeye anakaa pale, mwanangu ana biashara. Is it good?
Yes.
So do you like that?
Yes.
So if you like that, pay attention. As Mariam is drawing the lines, we're going to continue with the second step. Are you through, Mariam?
Yes.
Yeah, Mariam is through. And now, right now, in my hands, I've got a hammer. And for this hammer, we have the upper part. Now I'm using the blue pen and the lower part. So we're going to draw a line there, and that line will go up to the end. So our nails are supposed to be in a straight line, but where the blue line meets the red line is where we put the nail. So where should I put the first nail? Show me. Where? Very good. He has showed me, and that's where I'm putting. While putting the nail, I should not make it to go up inside, just a little bit. Okay? Yes. So somebody is going to put for us the second nail. Come here. All throughout, we are going to put it this way and this way. So continue very fast. Here we have already measured, we shall put. Make sure it is the same size as that one. Not yet? Alright, not yet. Okay? Now somebody else should put another line. A girl. Nusaiba, put it. Just put. Leave the frame where it was. Just leave it there. Hold the nail. You see? Not yet. Continue. Is it okay? Yes. Another boy. Put. You're all going to work. Just don't worry. Don't. Nani namalizia? Pole pole. Pole pole. Msemo bwana pole pole ni. Haraka haraka. Hapa ni taratibu. Hamna kwenda haraka. Be careful. Target the nail on top. Kuwa makini na vidole vyako. Kwa sasa hivi tunaenda kuweka katikati hapa kwenye space. Ina maana hapa hamna kipimo. Tunaweka hapa katikati. Tunaingia kwamba hapa ni katikati ya misumari hii miwili, unapiga msumari mwingine katikati. Kama ifuatavyo. Unaona hiyo? Sasa baadaye utaona kwamba space hii inalingana na hii. Okay? Yes. Haya, continue. Let him do something. If you have done something, please don't. Wait for somebody to also do something. No, follow the line. Follow this line. Follow this line, the outside line. Slowly, slowly. Don't touch on him. You're going to push him. If he goes, if it is not straight, you tell him. Be careful with your hands, your fingers. Make the nail straight. If you are finished, extend there so that another person can do something.
Simon, boy. Boy.
Down. Yes. This one. Good, 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 good. So what we're going to do here is just simple. We're going to put our ropes and then start the weaving. So this is how I do it. I'll tie the first knot here. We're continuing. So we are going to put the whaps. Say whaps.
Whaps.
In weaving, how what we call whaps and whips. Whips. Say whaps.
Whaps.
Wefts.
Whaps.
Wefts.
Wefts.
Waps.
Waps.
We have waps and wefts. Stop. Waps.
Waps.
Wefts.
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 So the waps are the ones that are going straight up, and the wefts are the ones that are going to be cutting across. So now we are putting the waps. Continue rolling it from there. Go very far. I'm stretching it. Wait a bit. Then I'll go to the next nail. I don't have to skip any nail. You see this? I'm putting this. Then I'll go and rotate on this another nail. One nail. Then put on the second nail. Rotate from inside. Yes. And then pull it. Make it straight. Pull a lot. Okay. Continue. Here. No. You see this one. This one you have skipped. No. From inside and outside. Pull it. Which nail comes next? Yes, that one. Have you seen the second nail? Hey, you put on the other one which is on the line and the one which is on the gap. Yes. Make sure that you straighten it. So pull it and don't skip any nail as usual. You continue. Continue. Fix the last nail. All right. Clap for her. Clap for her. So we have come to the first at least step. Now we are going to the second step of which we can make we can conclude from here. Yes, conclude it from there. Tie the last knot. We shall see what to do with it. This one is going to be called the waps. These ones are going to be called the waps.
Waps.
We have already put in the waps, and now we want to see the wefts. Say wefts. These ones, they are the ones we are going to go across. So we use our shuttle, okay? And then what you're going to do is to make sure you pass one up and then one down, okay? So when I say one up, one down, this is what I mean. You hold one down and one up. Down, up. You see? Down, up. You can just let this go through. You see this? You see this? So you go to the next row. One is down, another one is up. You pass through. Yeah? You see? One is down, another one is up. You go through. I'm skipping this. I'm going to put this. So skip one, put one up. Skip it. Go to unfold a big rope. Make sure that the rope is short at least so that it cannot disturb you. Make a final knot here so that it cannot get out. We continue. I'm going to skip one. Pay attention so that you can follow. Who can try? One up, one down. Then up to the end, I'll come just to check. So continue. One up, one down. Don't skip any. And this one should be always pulled at the end, this one. So there we are putting in the wefts. Say wefts. Those are the threads or strings that go across. Ready? Do you get me?
Yes.
Pay attention. You need to make this for your weaving. We ought to know that it's just like a side business. This is vocation skills. So when you do practicals, you know that what comes out is already made product, an already made product of which you can even sell. So it's just a side business. We are here to show you how vocation skills helps us and how we learn more things practically. I know many schools do use practicals in other subjects, but for us, we see that vocation skills can make us stand in a good way, because we know that after making this work, we shall sell. Just one of these can cost 70,000, while the materials are just using, we shall use only 25. Ukishatengeneza hilo carpet lako la mlangoni, utaliuza kama 70,000. Zaidi ya hilo, ukishaweka rangi kama zamani tuliona kipindi wakati tunafundisha rangi. Kwa hiyo ukitia rangi kuumu, ina maana kinang'aa, unaongeza gharama ya carpet yako. Kwa hiyo hili ni carpet la mlangoni. pale ukikanyaga matope unaacha pale pale. Ndani unaingia kwenye tairi yako safi sana. Now what we're going to do is, yeah, you have finished up the end. Now cut off this part and then tie the final knot. Cut. Now tie. Make a knot. No, together. Tie the two of them. Yeah, like that. All right. Good. Now what we're going to do, we are going to at least pack them together. We're going to be pushing this down. Do that. We are forcing the other wefts to go together, to be packed together, so that when you are weaving, they look at least in a straight line. They should be appearing in a straight line. Okay? Yeah. What is doing now is called packing. Say packing. Packing. So we are now bringing them to be compiled and combined together, so we can at least start the weaving. That's enough. Now we're going to do the cutting. But how do we know that this is the size of what we are going to use? Here we are supposed to use short strings of this kind. But how shall we maintain this maximum size? Tutawezaje kupata kipimo ambacho ni sahihi? Tutakunja kamba yetu kwenye mbao hii, alafu baadaye tuanze kukata. Sawa? Tunaenda ifuatavyo. Tunazungusha. We continue rotating. Who can do the rotating? Me. You're supposed to be close. Come near. It is disturbing. Let's just cut it off. All right. Oh, okay. Extend there. Be behind me. From here, what you shall do. So this will be the whole process. This is what we will be doing. Now here you cut on top. You see that? Today I've done it. Tomorrow you do it yourself. Now what am I going to do? I need to share it into two so that I can at least get a lot of them. Can you touch for me here? So these are the parts that we're going to use. What we need to do is to turn the frame. We turn our frame. The frame room has been turned. Now we are going to start the weaving or the pressing of the doormat. Let us start from this side. Do you see the way I'm holding the hook? Yes. I hold it like this. Hold the two ropes. Then put one on the opposite side. We are supposed to start from the one side. Wait. Then make them equivalent. Then pull down. Slowly. Don't panic. You will see them ending where the other threads passed. I'm getting another one. Then I'll pick two from here. You see? I use this middle finger. Hold the two. Then put this down and put this down. Then hold it tight and pull them down. Finally, you will see that we shall mount them until when it goes to the extent of going up. I'll be resting somewhere. I'll need to go through the process and continue. Have you got the point? Let me first see what this one is going to do. Why are you saying Exactly. Pull out. Down until when you reach this level. Another person. Hold these two. Follow the two that follows, eh? Don't skip any. If you are finished, you go aside. Somebody else can do something. Don't worry, everybody's going to do that. Okay, come this side. Now you're wasting time. Who is coming? Me. Hurry up. Follow the second two. Put on top. On top. All right. Very good, my teacher is showing you. So that's what you're supposed to do. Have you seen? So for him, he's going to fix that. Then for you, fix the second one. Pay attention because you are all going to do this. Wait. Now do it. This one first done. First A. Yes. Two. All right. Good. Pull it down. Yes. Come this side. Another person. Shaban, have you seen what your friend has done? On top. Yes. Down. Yes. And this side. Very good. Very good. Put it down. Now we are. So we are now continuing with our doormat. Hawa watoto wote wanaweza, ila sasa kwa vile tunakimbizana na kipindi, naomba niwaambie na niwaondoe wasiwasi ni kwamba hawa watoto wote uwezo wanao, na hii kazi wameifanya sana sana. Sasa hivi wameshatengeneza kila ofisi ina doormat hapa hazina. Right now, because we wanted to show you the steps, we will not be able to make it through. Kwa kweli kwa leo hatutoweza kumaliza doormat hii, itakuwa tumewadanganya. Ila sasa watoto hawa kuna project ya doormat ambao walikuwa wanamwandalia mkurugenzi wao Mr. Mao, wataweza kutuonyesha ile project. Mmeiweka wapi ile weave nyingine? Endelea huko. Sawa? So you need to be devoted. Please pay attention to speed because you took a week to finish the other week. Nyie mlichukua muda mrefu sana kumaliza ile kazi kwa sababu nyie hamwezi kuangalia ninatumia mbinu gani kuharakisha. Kwa hiyo lazima uangalie kwanza ile kazi inabidi wiki hii iishe. Okay? So we are supposed to be very fast, just like this. We continue. As you are pulling these strings, you are supposed to at least make them very tight so that your doormat can be well fixed and will not be able to disturb us. It's simple. Just cut the strings which are of just equal size. Be pulling just half. And we can as well use fabrics. Mbali na kutumia kamba, pia tunaweza tukatumia nguo. Ukienda kwa fundi, wale wafundi wanaoshona, kuna vile vitambaa ambavyo vinabaki. So instead of being thieves, you rather study vocational skills because it helps you to be creative, to use the waste materials to be good products. So here, hapa tulipofikia, wapenzi watazamaji, wazazi wetu, watoto wenzetu hapo huko nyumbani mliko, this is vocational skills. Stadi za kazi. Tupo tunafanya kazi ya mkeka wa mlangoni, ule wa kufutia takataka za kwenye viatu. Ile kule unapoingia nyumbani, kule unapokanyaga. Tuseme ni kanyagio. Ni kwamba kazi hii haitochukua muda mchache. Kwa sababu ni kazi ambayo itachukua muda mrefu, na hawa watoto hawa wamezoea practicals. Sio kwamba wameonyesha tu wameishia hapo. Though it's not yet still complete because we have used like 5 days to make it. Just like that. So it is the same procedure we have used here. That's what they used here. So from here, tukishamaliza hapa, tunaikata, alafu huku tunafunga mwisho, na itakuwa mwisho wake inaishia huku, sio hapa. Na maana hapa tumefikia katikati. We are expecting this work to be ready very soon, but I think you have seen how tiresome the work is and it really takes some steps. So what we need to do is to always be attentive when we are learning such work. Hii ni kazi ambao haiwezi kuchukua muda mchache. Kwa hiyo tunaomba ukiwa unafanya hii kazi utulie. We said, what is this? What are this? What have we used? Yes. And these ones?
Yes.
And there is something that we use to pass through the warps. This one's called what?
Shuttle.
It's called a shuttle. You can just make it your own, in your own way. You can even use a ruler. You can use just a plain piece of wood. But me, I've just used a plywood. So just simple, you start there weaving. Is that okay? So it will be better you know all the materials. Is that okay? And we use the main material is what? What we call this? We call it which one? Frame what? Frame room. And now, if you're asked that, if you want to make this in thread strings, the main material is easy. Yeah. So you need to be with the frame, and you have these strings. Is that okay? From here, you cut off, and then tie the final knots, then put it in the doorway. As per now, we say goodbye.
Ni matumaini yetu utakuwa umejifunza pamoja na kufurahia kipindi chetu cha leo cha Stadi za Kazi. Mimi naitwa Amani Suleiman pamoja na
Nzuri. Mpaka siku nyingine, asanteni na
kwaherini.
Kwa maoni na ushauri tuandikie kupitia info@itv.co.tz.
ITV pia inapatikana kupitia satellite Intelsat 906 frequency 3643 MHz, Simboret 8545 Mega Simbo, FEC 23 polarization horizontal.
ITV Super Brand Afrika Mashariki.